Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once done, open Settings on iPhone/iPad or System Settings on Mac and tap your name at the top. This gives access to iCloud controls. You do this because iCloud Drive links to your Apple ID and system version, so update the OS if needed. Now that you're in the Apple ID panel, you're ready for the next step, to enable Drive and choose storage options. Next, find iCloud, then tap iCloud Drive. Toggle it on. This activates cloud file syncing across devices. Once enabled, enable individual app toggles so documents and data from each app are included. This prevents missing files later. Make sure to choose storage handling. On iPhone and Mac, choose Optimize Storage to save space or download originals to keep full files locally. If you use Desktop and Documents on Mac, check those boxes to sync folders. These choices determine bandwidth, disk use, and offline availability. To finish, open the Files app or Finder to confirm your iCloud Drive folder appears and files are syncing. You can also verify at iCloud.com. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage. If you hit your quota, buy a plan or free up space so syncing continues. If files don't appear, try simple fixes. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, restart the device, or toggle iCloud Drive off and on. This refreshes the connection and often resolves stuck syncs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.